Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make an old Roblox game. So first off, delete this disgusting faceplate. And then old Roblox base plate. So you gotta do this one by Wolfie Will Ducky 2. 2007 to the 8. Just press F to zoom in further so you don't have to waste time. So when you see these studs, these are important. And then, sorry, my freaking screen, you see? Pause recording. See, you gotta anchor it first. So take it. Get this anchor. Anchor. And then you have it, but it doesn't really look really. I mean, the floor does look good, but. So what we're gonna do is. We don't look, so we're gonna do start our character right here. Start character, and we go down into this one by little devil 2. Just place it in. I'm gonna customize it. You don't have to customize it. Don't add body colors because I don't think that really works. I'm just gonna pick a blank. Yeah, that's fine. Just do this into start a player. Just leave that there. Now, we have a skin, but we don't have the right animations and sounds. So what we're gonna do is old. I don't know how to code, so I'm just taking them. You do this one by NZ. I don't know how to pronounce that. Put that right in start character scripts. And the sound, I would mainly because it, yeah, right here by Alan Dev 09. Click that, delete this. You don't have to read that, and just put that in start player scripts. And then it looks very playful, but we don't have the UI. So old Roblox UI. Get this one for example. All you have to do is just drag this in and then play. You got chat, but that chat doesn't work. So what I always do for these games, I take it, and I just take it and just, you know, like here. Let's just minimize it down. Just change. You could change the background transparency. You don't delete this because the inventory won't show. So you'll just have no whatever. Just leave it up there. You'll have no inventory. So just crop that down. And we have no chat, so we're gonna do Roblox chat. Spelled it wrong. Right there, old Roblox chat system by Super Spy 65415. Got it. If you don't need instructions, just bring this to server script surge, this and this to storage UI, and these just replicate storage, and just delete the folder. and old sound. And now, I don't know, you guys won't believe this, but it actually works. Yeah. And if you're creating a model, say like, okay, come on. This classic house, this classic house by, I don't know, take it in. Ooh, the studs don't look right. I forgot. Yeah, do this so it's like looking better. Take it. This one sucks. So we're gonna. I would recommend like. What I would do? You take classic appeal. Does that have? No. Okay, we gotta find one with. Shapium. Oh yeah, you can see this. It doesn't really look well. Take all this. You're gonna be like, how do you select this all? No. The first thing you do is, what you do is you go to the base plate, copy these, and then just scrolling down ASMR. Go to sleep. Until you reach it to the bottom. Shift, and then click. So you select all of them. Change the material to smooth plastic. And then paste in selected. And so it should. Yep. Maybe you wanna like turn it for like to. Yeah. Something like that. Just put this is a 0. I don't know. Blah blah blah. Lincoln water. Just put it like somewhere here. And just close that. And then just. It looks normal. Even the inlets. So of course you got the chat, and then yeah, you could add anything you want. But what I would recommend is to basically go into my off sale. Ooh, basically take the excuse me, take the base plate, put it into a 1x1. Don't even say it. Just turn it to a 1x1 stud, and then put it gray, medium gray stone or something, and just save it as a model. So you can like, this is like a, you can make it any size. It doesn't have to be 1x1. Don't even sit. Don't mind all this. Oh, let me show you the weird music. Whatever. 7 circles, but it's only the good part for 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, that's the end. Bye.